Okay, Roy and I today are taking that window out and we're going to move it over so it'll be lined up. Being how we added onto the corner there like it should have been in the first place. This house did not look whole until that there was done. So right now we're taking the trim off. We're going to pull the siding and we have to go on the inside and build our window frame area so we can install the window again and get our trim on after we get all the siding stuff on, the old siding, and then we can go ahead and put our new trim or new siding on our hardy board Lapse siding. So here we go. There's that. Let's get her done. I don't. Okay, we worked last night until 7:30, something like that, and you can kind of see the clouds. Let me show you these clouds, show you what we're dealing with, which is totally wonderful. But we were chased out by the rain a little bit last night, and it was time to quit anyway. But we did get the window in, and we're ready to start putting on the 3/4 inch side. It's not siding, the board before you put the siding on. And I see Roy's already got started with the insulation, putting it back on. Now let me get it over there. There we go. So anyway, let's go ahead and finish the siding, or the plywood. I guess we'll call it plywood, that's what it is. Get the old siding on, and then we have a little bit more work to do on the other side before we actually start putting the hardy board plank on. So this is a little bit of a close-up of what we've been doing. You can see we have our new floor joists in, got our window in, pretty much rebuilt that wall right where the, well, we did, right where the window is. I didn't bring my coffee.
You want a cup?
I'm gonna have to have a cup, I think.
I'm a believer, but I don't think he likes being called Bigfoot. I think Sasquatch, maybe.
There he goes. Sasquatch is what he likes. Bigfoot, it's a cute cup, so what the heck. Anyway, Roy and I are obviously taking a break before we get going. We have been enjoying working with each other on this house, and it does take a long time just to do a small project. So if you ever gotten into it, you know, if you're going to get into it, don't expect it to be done all in one day. It takes time if you're going to try to do it right. And
expect a can of worms.
Yeah, a can of worms. You're opening a can of worms. Anyway, like I say, we're enjoying it. Dad, he comes over. The sad thing is, Dad doesn't own this house. Only Roy here owns a house. And so when Dad comes over, we can't tell him, can you go make some coffee?
However, it would be nice.
It would be nice. But just for the side joke, in case you guys don't know, we used to work on Dad's rental house, which I own it now. And when he'd start telling us what we needed to do and whatnot, we'd say, go make some coffee.
And then we'd do it our way.
Yeah. And he didn't care as long as it got done right. And he is a good coffee maker too, just to let you know. So anyway, I think we'll go make me a cup, and it's gonna rain on us a couple times today. It might chase us out totally, but we're gonna try to at least get the plywood on. There we go. We'll just call it the plywood. I forgot they call that board.
Batten board. Well,
No.
it wouldn't be batten board. Siding board. Barn board.
Well, some builders don't even put the board on there nowadays. They just have the T111, or not T111. They just have the 2x4s there, and then they put this T111 on and call that good.
Some put OSB on, and
Yeah.
then T111.
And all that's good, because you need something extra besides just 2x4s. Besides that, it helps strengthen the house for shaking if there's ever an earthquake or anything else. These clouds are looking a little scary, I will admit. Look how fast that one's racing.
Moving right along. Hope they keep moving right along.
Yep, they're headed,
Those look worse than those, so.
and they're headed towards Seattle.
Yeah. So those are coming this way.
So
I do feel a drop or two.
Yeah, I do too. I think we're getting Portland, Oregon's weather. So anyway, we're gonna stop this thing. We're at the rental house.